This is your garden. This is my forest. We dance, we feel free. The world is no love, is no care. We are not your friends. A flower shaped by power. It exists. It stands still. It symbolizes the world. Please, show your respect. This is the movement you bring to us. Melody is a silent plea for freedom. We will respond with applause forever. I see the eyes in the forest. Who's watching the watcher? Beneath the shadow of the canopy, humanity reshapes in ancient postures. Tools sculpt both pain and story. Countless whispers pray to the bound roots. Who let me become like this? A silent game unfolds. Pawns stand where power holds sway. Freedom wanes with each move made. They entertain but are stripped of will. Whose destiny is being controlled. Will he discover the truth about this world? That we don't mean any harm.
This place makes me feel terrified, but who am I?
We will tell you the answer. You are the first human to be dominated by the power of nature. We are treating you the way you treated us. How do you feel now?